Hi guys, in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make an activity tracker from CreateAI Microbit. So before we start the lesson, I'm going to go over the supplies we need. So we need one of these wearable kit boxes. It comes with a microbit holder and a strap, and a microbit, a computer with internet, a USB port and web Bluetooth, a microbit USB cable, and a battery pack that contains batteries. So the first thing you want to do is go into CreateAI Microbit. And then click Get Started and create a new session. As you can see, there are currently no data samples, but to make a data sample, we need to connect our microbit. So press connect, and it will tell you to plug in your microbit. So then click the microbit you want to connect and press connect. Once it's finished downloading the data collection program, you can now disconnect the USB and connect the battery pack. So now, after you've done the previous step, a pattern should show on your microbit. So what you want to do here is just input the pattern you see on your microbit. So this is the pattern that I have on my microbit. Now press the microbit you want to pair again and press pair. Before we start recording the data samples, we need to attach the strap to the microbit so we can strap it onto our legs. So what you need is one of these microbit straps. It usually comes with a microbit, but it is also separately sold. And you also need one of these battery packs. So first, use the battery and stick it into the top part of the strap. So just pull it in. And now we need to attach the microbit to the strap. So put the microbit in the bottom part of the strap. So now the next step is to attach the microbit to our leg and get back to CreateAI. Now we can attach the microbit to our leg like this. Now we can get to recording the data samples. So name the first action jumping. And then now you can record 3 data samples. So what you want to do is when you press record, there's a 3-second countdown, and then you have to jump up and down so that it captures the data sample. So you have to do 3, so now just do 2 more. And then final one. Okay, since this data sample looks different from the rest, we can retake it. So just delete this data sample and record it again. Okay, now we're done recording the data samples for jumping. So we can add another action and call it walking. So now for walking, you can just walk in place and then press record. So you need to do that 3 times. And then 2 more. Now, since this sample looked inaccurate to the rest, we can retake it. Now, we need to add one more action and call it not moving. So for this one, you can just stand still and then press record 3 times. Now, if you want it to be more accurate, you can add more data samples, but we're just going to stick with 3 for each one. So now that we've completed all 3 actions, we can start testing the model. So press this button over here, and then as you can see, it has the trained models shown. So basically, as you can see, if I stand still, it's going to estimate that I'm not moving. And if I start walking, it's going to estimate that I'm walking. And if I start jumping, it's going to estimate that I'm jumping. So now we can start editing the code in MakeCode. Now this is the default code that it gives us, but we're going to make a different code. So delete these 3 blocks in here. And so when you start jumping, it should show that it's going up. So draw an arrow that points up. And if you're walking, it should show an arrow that is going sideways. So now if you're not moving, it's going to show a flat surface. So make a flat surface. And now we can download our code and test it on the microbit. So now we need to destrap the microbit from our leg and plug it into the computer. And then press download. Now you have to select the microbit you want to connect and press pair. As you can see, it's currently downloading the program to our microbit. So now that it's downloaded, we can test it out. So as you can see, when I'm standing still, it shows a straight line, and when I start jumping, it shows an arrow pointing up. And when I start walking, it shows an arrow pointing sideways. So yeah, that's how you make an activity tracker from Microbit CreateAI. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.